Happy Friday, third grade. We made it through our first week of after spring break. So if you guys were tired this week, kind of getting back in the swing of things, I'm so proud of you for working so hard. Yesterday in math, we did our quiz day. So today you rewarded with game day. So all we're gonna do is flashcards and fun stuff. Remember, all the Friday math videos have all this fun stuff for you guys, and you can watch those any day. So just to practice your multiplication, just to practice your measurement terms. That's a great thing to go back to. If you go back to the old lessons, every Friday in math is always going to be flashcard fun stuff. Okay? And so if you liked a certain game and you want to play it again, you can do it. All right? Okay, so we are going to start with multiplication. And I brought my flashcards. We are going to play around the world. So you are trying to beat me or mom and dad, whoever is playing with you, okay? And see if you, and hopefully we're getting faster as this goes on, all right? So not this one, but 2 times 6 is 12. You'll have to say it before me in order to go to the next person. So what I want you to do is every time you beat me, that means you say it before I say it, and you're right, put a little like dash on the board or something, or on your paper. Like, I got that one right. How many wins do you get? And then when you're done, that's how far you would have got around the room playing around the world. So you know how you have to line up with one person. If you beat them, you go to the next row, the next row. Every time you beat me, it's like you went to the next desk, okay? All right, so here we are. Oh, the first one's easy. Everyone better beat me here. 1, 56, 4, 84. Anyone beat me on that? 15, 12, 84. 36. Who beat me? What's this one? Gosh, it's backwards for me. 108. It's the way I'm looking at it on the screen is the numbers are backwards. So I was like, is that a 6 or a 9? Okay, 108. 12 times 9, 108. Okay, here we go. Lots of 12s in this pack. Okay. 24. 48. 18. 88. 60, 20, 63, 44, 70, 54, 45. Was I going too fast there? Did anybody beat me? Okay, I'm gonna go just a little bit slower if you were struggling with that. I'm gonna give you a second to think, okay? That was kind of fast speed. Okay, this will be a little bit slower. Here we go. 56. 96, 32, 49, 21, 18, 144, 16, 33, 9. Okay, ready for a new game of multiplication? So still multiplication flashcards, but now we're gonna play secret code. So I'm gonna show you 3 cards. You have to keep them in your head, memorize them. When I show the 3rd card, say all 3 answers, okay? All right, so let's do a practice one. So what would this answer be? 24, because I keep it in my head, I don't say it, 24. This one is 36. So remember, it was 24, 36. And now when I flip this card, we're going to say all 3. So 24, 36. Okay, let's see what this one is. 24, 36, 24. Okay, do you see how secret code works? So this first answer was 24, then this was 36, then this was 24. So the secret code is 24, 36, 24. Okay, now if this is hard for you, it's okay, but it's good for you, it helps you to work with your memory, keeping numbers in your head. Okay, so here we go. Got it? $16, $22, $12. Did anybody get those? 16 was 2 times 8, 22, and then 12. 16, 22, 12. Okay, let's try another one. 42, 24, 48. Anyone beat me? These are hard. Oops, that's not it. 42, 24, 48. 42, 24, 48. Okay, let's do a couple more. Got it. 45, 8, 64. Anyone do it? 45, wait, 48, 8, did I say 45? I'm not sure what I said there. I feel like I might have said something. Oh, I'm not looking at the right card. There it is. 45, 8, 64. I was thinking, didn't I say 45? It got stuck in my hand. So 45, 8, 64 was right. Okay, let's do one more. And we'll play a different game. This is an easy one. 14, 2, 27. Did anyone get that one? That one wasn't quite as hard. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 times 2 is 2. 9 times 3, 27. So it was 14 to 27. All right. Okay, you ready for our next game? Our next game is thumbs up, thumbs down. And it's with our divisibility rules. And actually, I'm going to get this back to the front here. So looking at our poster here, I'm going to show you a card. We're going to start with 2s. And if it's 2 can go into it, give me a thumbs up. 2 can't go into it, thumbs down. And then keep track of your points, see how many of these you get right. Okay, so we're going to start with this one here. 160, divisible by 2? Yes, it's even. 24, divisible by 2? Yes, it's even. How about 39? No, it's odd. 2 can't go into it. 156, all right, so kind of get a little closer here. Even, good job. Okay, now we're doing 3s. 3s, you have to add it up. So let's start with this one. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Can 3 go into that? Yes, so 156 is divisible by 3. You see how we do it? Okay, here we go. Divisible by 3? Yes. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 can go into it. Divisible by 3? Yes. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 3 can go into it. Divisible by 3? Same thing. No, can't. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 3 can't go into it. Okay, so now 4s. Our trick for 4 is look at the last 2 digits. If they're zeros, thumb up. If the last 2 numbers 4 can go into it, then we do it. So 67. Can 4 go into 67? No, so thumbs down. Okay, next one. That should have been a fast thumbs up. Anytime you see 2 zeros, 4 can go into it. Okay, ready? Yes, 20. 4 can go into 20. No, 4 can't go into 18. Perfect. Okay, now 5. So what's my rule of 5? If it ends in a 0 or a 5, thumb up. Any other number, thumb down. So how about this one? Thumb down. 5 can't go into that. How about this one? Yes, 125 ends in a 5. 28. No, it's not a 5 or a 0. No, it's not a 5 or a 0. Okay, all right, are we ready for the next rule? The next rule is our 9s. 9s, we add them up. If 9 can go into it, it works. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Can 9 go into that? No. Okay, how about this one? Yes, 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18, so that works. How about this one? No, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 9 can't go into that, so that's a no. Yes, it adds up to 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, tens is our last one. Remember, if it ends with a 0, thumb up, because that means it's divisible by 10. If it doesn't end in a 0, thumbs down. Thumbs down, it's divisible by 5, but not 10. Thumbs up, this one's easy, huh? Thumbs up, ends in a 0. Thumbs down. All right, guys, ready for our last game of the day? Keeping our brain sharp for math. Okay, it's our measurements. Who's getting good at this? Okay, let's do a giant step. Okay, so get back. If you can get 6 steps and touch the TV or your phone or whatever it is that you're doing before me, you only can take a step if you beat me. Okay. All right. So these are a little bit trickier. Oops, some of these are backwards. Hold on. Got to get these right. I was playing a game with Mr. Roach and Caitlin to have some fun with them, and Caitlin beat Mr. Roach. That was fun for her. Okay, I'm trying to get these all facing the right way. Sorry, guys. Okay, now I think they are. Okay, here we go. All right, so not starting with this one, I'll start with the next one. You have to beat me. Weeks in a year, about 52. Feet in a mile, 5,280. Has anyone taken a step yet? Take a step if you beat me. Ounces in a pound, 16. Hours in a day, 24. Quarts in a peck, 8. Feet in a yard, 3. Okay, did anyone touch me? I think that was about 6. Okay, all right, let's get back. Playing again. Here we go. If you haven't beat me yet, stay where you are. Here comes some more. Quarts in a gallon, 4. Centimeters in a meter, 100. Hopefully a lot of you beat me there. I was going a little slower. Centi is 100. Inches in a yard, 36. Days in a week, 7. Everyone better beat me on that one. 7 days in a week. Grams in a kilogram. Kilo, 1,000. 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Pounds in a metric ton. 2,200. Anyone beat me? Anyone make it up again? Okay, let's keep going. Yards in a mile. This is the one Caitlin and Mr. Roach couldn't get. 1,760. Anyone know that one? We don't practice this one a lot. 1,760 yards in a mile. Okay, here we go. Pounds in a ton, 2,000. Pecks in a bushel, 4. How many things in a dozen? 12. Pints in a quart, 2. Years in a decade, 10. Inches in a foot, 12. Is anyone beating me? How many giant steps did you guys make yet? Hopefully at least 1. All right, here we go. Some of you maybe 3 or 4. Years in a century, 100. Ooh, this one's tricky. What does milli mean? Let me show you this. So you could said 1, don't look at the decimal because we haven't learned that. So 1 over 1,000. If you said 1,000, that's fine too. Hecto, 100. Deca, 10. Deci, so it's not 10 exactly, it's 1/10, right? Because deci with the I is the fraction, so 1/10. Centi, 1 over 100. Now you're getting the hang of it, 100. Okay, now this one, how many millimeters in a centimeter? Ooh, this is hard. Millimeter in a centimeter, 10. We haven't practiced this one. I shouldn't put this one in there. I take that one out. Okay, let's do this one. Millimeters in a meter. This one we know. Milli, 1,000. Good job, you guys. Oh, one more. Kilo is 1,000. Good job, you guys. All right, friends. That is it for our Friday Fun Day. If you want to watch one of the old ones, if we played a game that you liked better, crossing the pond or the ocean, or one of the other just different games that I had. Go back to the old Friday ones and practice them, because it's so good for your math skills to keep them up. Okay, guys? All right, well, enjoy your weekend. It is Friday, so no homework over the weekend, obviously. If you want to ever work on IXL or do the diagnostics or the learning, you could do that anytime. And I've been watching you guys. We are earning so many certificates. It's amazing. So keep track of your awards, because you guys are earning so many awards, and I'm keeping track who's getting the top, how many questions you're answering. So get on there if you haven't done that today and play some IXL. All right, I will see you guys on Monday. We will have school Monday. So this week it was just Tuesday through Friday, but next week we're back to normal Monday, and I'll be seeing you on videos and on Zoom calls for reading groups. So hopefully that's all working out. Okay, all right, see you guys soon. Bye-bye.